Hey guys, welcome to our showroom. Today we're going to do a comparison between shot peening and aluminum oxide, between dry blasting and wet blasting. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Nikki here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we had a couple of requests between doing a comparison of shot peening and aluminum oxide. So this is going to be a comparison between dry blasting and wet blasting. Essentially, it's just two different techniques that you can accomplish the same result with different features and benefits. So please stay tuned. We removed rust and contamination off of this part, and so that's going to be the results. The alternative is a different type of process called wet blasting, where we're going to come back with the results after doing aluminum oxide. Stay tuned. So today we did a comparison between two different techniques, dry blasting with steel shot and wet blasting with aluminum oxide. As you can see that on this part it has removed, the steel shot has removed the rust and the coating, so has the aluminum oxide. The advantage is that the water cushions the abrasive against the surface in the wet blasting, and the shot peening will strengthen your part while you're blasting. So let us know what process works best for you. Whatever questions you have, give us a call today, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.